Hey everybody, Miss Parsons here. I just wanted to take a quick second and make a video to show you guys how e-learning is going to go for the rest of the year. I hope you guys had a relaxing spring break and you're doing well. So as you can see here, I'm on our Haiku page. This is just the landing page here, and it says e-learning 101. So IP is due Wednesday at 10 a.m. for Monday, Tuesday. It's due Friday at 10 a.m. for Wednesday, Thursday content. So your IP is now a form that's going to be graded. I'm going to show you guys how you can edit your forms for a chance at a better score. You're going to get 4 points for accuracy and then 4 points for uploading the U-Try problems. If you need to go back and do any of the old e-learning, it's right here on the e-learning tab on the left-hand side. Just a little fun thing if you want to look through that of what me and Mr. Sutton did on our spring breaks. So our first step is you're going to watch the video and complete your notes. Everything's linked here. Then you're going to do the U-Try problems, and then you're going to complete the form, and this form is kind of new. So I'm going to click here because I'm in Miss Parsons' class because she's the best, and it pulls up with this form for Skill 22. You're going to put your email address in. Okay, so A. Parsons, Riverside. Miss Parsons, your teacher, yes or no? Yes. If not, you need to go find Mr. Sutton's form. Your first and last name. Oh my goodness, that is my maiden name. And what period? Let's say I'm in the A1. So I'm going to define the following. Okay, I'm just going to, throw some stuff in here. Submit a picture of the U-Tries. So I will add the file here. Let's see. What do I want to upload? Oh, I can upload the key to the U-Tries. So I'm going to upload that. And then I'm going to submit. Okay, so I can view my score, which I want to do. I can edit my response or submit my response. So first thing I want to do is I want to view my score. So it opens it up in a whole different window. So maybe I should expand this. I guess I really can't, but there's a whole different window. See, I can go back, and there's that again. And it tells me exactly which ones I got wrong. All right. All right, so I didn't do so hot here. Good news is I got my name right and my period right. So I would need to redo these. So I want to go back, okay? And I don't want to submit a whole nother response. I just want to edit my response. So I can edit my response, brings it up again with all my old answers. So I'm able to go back and fix them, okay? And then I would submit it again. Any questions on anything, you guys feel free to reach out to us. Come drop in on our office hours. We miss you so much. Even if it's just to say hello, we would love to see your faces. So I hope you guys are doing well once again. We'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully.